Hi guys! Hi guys, this is MD168. Today's video, I will unbox some I ordered in temu. This is a corded vacuum cleaner. See that? I will see. This is good for our trailer house. So, tingnan natin kung ano, if this is a good one. I did not bring our good one back home because it's so bulky. So, I will just pumili lang dito para iiwan. Iwan ko siya. So, tingnan natin kung this one is a good brand. Nakita ko ito sa temu. So, I'm just gonna try. Alright. Did I open it right? You can open it anywhere din naman. Diba? It's the easy way. The same na. Ano, guys. I'm just gonna tear it. Oh, may mga ano siya, mga kaway-kaway yan guys. Ito ang kanyang, tingnan natin, this is it. This is like this cute. We'll see. So tingnan natin. So, mag-unbox na ta sa mga gamit. Let's see. I'll just put it on the table, guys, because I'm having a hard time if I sit on the floor. There's a little basket. This is for the filter. Right, that one. This one. This is on the floor. I already have like this before. See this? I have the same look. I bought it in the, tingnan mo ang dala-dala ko. I bought it in the Goodwill back in Columbus. It's very similar, but I don't like it. I don't know why. Well, I will show it to you. So this is the corded vacuum. Akala ko it's not corded pala siya. My understanding before was cordless. Corded pala, but it's okay. So I will assemble this. I will do the puzzle. I like to do the puzzle. So this is it, guys. I just have to follow the steps. I just have to follow the steps. This one and this one, right? So handle held mode, I can do it handle held mode. So like that, handle held mode, vertical winding. Okay, so I have to assemble this now. Don't mind my thing, guys. Hakay. Alam niyo na. I have lots of stuff in my table. I will put this away. Isa lang pang separate ng mga plastic. This is similar. This is really similar to what I have. I use both. I bought used one in Goodyear. Nakita ko kasi siya cute. So this size is very cute. Good enough for my little trailer house. So first is this. Anong gagawin natin dito? So this one. This is the demonstration. This is this. Push. Then there is this one. So this is this one, guys. This is what you call it. Baka ay! Nabungi! Nabungi! Oh, ka-plastic. Ay, nabungi gamay, oh. Ay, naku naman. So, this is the HEPA shell. This is the HEPA shell. Muna ang HEPA filter. So, ang ana na siya. This is it. You need to find the nuts. Then I saw the rubber. Oh no. Okay, I saw the rubber. We'll make sure it's inside here, and then like that, and then you put it inside. Make sure you do put it the right, yeah, like that. Then you put this one vacuum cleaner. So this is the cleaner, the machine. This is the machine, or this is the vacuum cleaner. Already have the filter. You can remove it once in a while to wash it because the dirt will stick in here. See? So leave that one. And then this one, you push. You see the click? It click. Make sure. Why? This one have to click the back side too. Why? Because I'm not in the right position. So you have to do it properly, guys. Push it. Push it. Then there is a nut. There is a nut here. So make sure it's locked. Lock now. Okay, it's locked. So this is it. And this is the handle. This is the you can do it shorter. This is the handle. This is the one. This is the handle. I hope it's still gonna go inside. See this? This is the nut. Make sure it's inside here. You just have to push. Now I'm confused where to go to put this. Now I'm confused. So you can vacuum like this. Let's demonstrate. Okay, let's try. This is it pala, guys. I was wondering earlier where to put this. Nabali siya. So this is the nut. Oh, you have to open lang pala yan, and then insert this one. Insert this one. Oh my god, I hope it's because I banged it. You have to push it all the way down. Oh no. Okay. Okay, it's in. And then, okay, push. I already push, and this is, make sure it's locked. Alright, locked. So this is the, where to hold the wire. Yan pala yan. So this is the upper one. So you can roll the, you can tight the, when you are using it. Okay, I will try. So like this. This is the lower part, and this is the upper part. And when you want to tie it like this, it's corded. I thought it's cordless, so it's like this to hold the wire. Like that. Let's see if it works. So I will not put it all the way because I have to test. See? This is the power. So see, let's try and plug it. Plug this one. Ay naku guys, I'm so okay, let's try. I hope this is, ta-da! Let's see. Turn it up. So far it works. One more thing about this sweeper, guys. You see how handy? It's good for a smaller place. So it doesn't fill up it easy because our space here in our camper is not as big. And this is, we only have a small space. So this one is a two-way. Pull this out. And you can use this in the corner. Look. Like in the corner. You can remove this handle also by holding it here, but right now I just leave it like that, so you don't have to bend too much on your back, and it's easy. You see, and you can use this by the window, and then it's nice. So I recommend this for an easy vacuum. Then you can put it back for the floor. Make sure it's pushed all the way. So nice. So guys, that's for today's unboxing, and it's very cute and very handy. I thought it was cordless, but it's corded, but it's all good. So this, you can do it like this, halfway pala. And so far it's good. $24 at temu. So it's only good for a little place. Yung malaking bahay, madaling mapuno yan, madaling, it's easy to fill up the dirt. But this one is, it's NC. So guys, that's it for today, and thank you for watching and hanging out with my unboxing. So, I will see you on my next vlog. Bye! Paskong Pasko na talaga ang aking maliit na bahay. O, diba? La 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 la. Pero, cute naman siya. So, hindi ko natanggal ang ano doon, ang pumpkin. But anyway, makalat po ang aking computer table. Pero, because we are in a little house, tiny little mini RV. So, bear with us and thank you once again for hanging out with me. Bye!